Hey, in front of me is Realme C33 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now tap on sound section and scroll down right away. Over here you need to tap on vibrate vocals and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on it and go back. Over here you need to swipe down again and click on this sweater next to charging sounds and vibration to switch it off or on. And lastly, click on this one next to touch vibration to turn off or on haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!